How to fix Wi-Fi adapter missing in Windows 10. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Update and Security. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Internet Connection. Press Run Troubleshooter. Click on Troubleshoot my connection to the Internet. Press Try these repairs as administrator. Wait for your connection to be repaired. Now your problem should be fixed. Press Close the troubleshooter. If that didn't work, first open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Click on Network Reset. Press Reset now. Press Yes. Now restart. Press Yes. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network adapter. Select Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, first open the link that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on Download Tool now. Download the tool and run it. Press Yes. Press Accept. Press Next. Press Accept. Leave it as it is, if you want to keep all your files and programs. Press Install. Wait for the update to be installed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Recovery Options. Open Recovery Options. Go to Advanced Startup and click on Restart Now. Press System Restore. Select your account. Press Next. Select your latest restore point. Press Next. Press Finish. Press Yes. Now wait for your PC to be restored. Now your PC should be restored. Press Restart. Now your problem should be fixed.